Page 230, chapter 7, number 1. I already wrote this code out. Usually I don't. Usually I try to write it while I'm recording, but for this one I wrote it out. So let me just walk through. I wanted to do an if-else just to make it pretty readable. I know there's a way not to do it, where you could put it all in one formula. So there's no real, I don't think there's a real right or wrong, but as far as like readability, I think it's pretty clear, right? If you work overtime greater than or equal to 40, like 40 is a very common number, everyone knows. Then you're going to get paid regular rate, regular hours. Otherwise, and I added the comment here, if overtime is worked that week, so if hours is greater than 40, so if you did work overtime, then your total week pay is going to be hours minus 40 times 1.5 times rate. You get paid 1.5 times your wages for every hour past 40, and then plus you're going to add 40 times your regular rate. So and then return total week pay. Hours per week is going to be the float, because you might work 40.25 hours. Some employers, a lot of employers, I'm sure most employers, they pay a fraction of an hour as a possibility. And the same thing with regards to your rate. Your rate might go up a fraction of a dollar, or a fraction of $10 or whatever. So, and then I have a print statement here. Total wages this week are, and then I stringify the function call, the function invocation. And then these arguments here, hours per week and rate per hour, they get pulled, and now they're parameters in this function header. And yeah, so then what that gives us is this. Hours of worked week, say 50. Let's say 30.00. 1650. Let's do the math. So it's 30 times 40 is $1,200. And then you're looking at 10 more hours times 45 is 450. So 450 plus 1,200 is 1,650. All right. So there it is. You can test this a bunch of times. But yeah, there's the program, and there's the code. And I guess I could have wrapped it up in main and then just called main, but there it is. All right, thanks a lot, guys.